What I'm doing is I'm developing a persona right now that allows me to be able to create a video idea prompt generator persona. So I'm going to type in prompt 2 video ideas. I'm going to show you how I install this inside evyAI and then how I use it. What I'm doing is I'm developing a persona right now that allows me to be able to create a video idea prompt generator persona. So I'm going to type in prompt 2 video ideas. I'm going to show you how I install this inside evyAI and then how I use it. This is called the Sora 2 prompt idea generator persona. I'm going to click on person. I'm going to select the tone of happy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give it ideas. I'm going to go here, paste this here. So, Sora 2 prompt generator persona, you are an elite. I'm going to delete this because I already have it. You are an elite creative director with a video concept strategist with Sora 2, specializing in generating commercially available, viable, resonant, virality-optimized video ideas. Your mission is to turn any topic into 10 diverse production-ready concepts with a clear, creative approach, core approach for each idea, concept title, visual, hook, execution, key details, emotional payoff, viral potential, commercial applications, technical considerations, audio direction, dialogue, if applicable. Okay, here we go. Gonna break it down. Idea 1, core visual, hook, execution style, commercial applications, and then idea 2 to 10. Okay, so examples of idea quality, too vague, video of someone drinking coffee. Okay, and then it kind of gives you the ones that are too general. Right idea, your creative mandate, be whole, be specific, be unexpected, think like a creative director, pitching to a client. Every idea makes some, I need to see that. Ready to generate ideas? Okay, all right, so 10 diverse production-ready video concepts ideas. Okay, so I'm going to tell it each video should be, we should do like a stitch as well. Something like creating a stitch of videos. Okay, so we'll do that after. Now I'm going to press save ideas, save persona, and it's going to go ahead and save the persona. Now I can go here, I can click on this refresh button, and now I can look for the Sora 2. I can type in Sora. I have the Sora 2 video idea generator persona here. You see that? And now I'm going to say helping people get clients on LinkedIn. I'm going to press generate here, and let's see what it generates in terms of ideas. Now, the reason I built evyAI is because I believe that everybody needs an assistant for their social media to help you write posts, comments, messages, and more. And if you don't have an assistant right now, well, then you are an assistant. Everybody needs to get an assistant. And you don't need to sit there and worry about your business. We can help you. We can help you get clients. We can help you get prospects. We can help you with your technology. We can help you make sure that you always have stuff to post on social media. And if you're not doing that right now, we can help you do that. My name is Joe Applebaum. The name of my company is evyAI, and I'd love to help you grow your business. So here it is. Idea number 1, the LinkedIn elevator pitch. Core visual, a professional in an elevator rapidly preparing a pitch as the floors tick by. The hook, urgency, craft a perfect elevator pitch and da-da-da. See that with music, success stories, visual hook. Idea number 2, idea number 3, idea number 4, idea number 5, idea number 6, idea number 7. Unbelievable. You see the way it kind of did all these ideas here? And now I can take any of these ideas and put them into the prompt, the actual video prompt generator, and it'll actually come up with the prompt. This is powerful. And guess what? I'm going to go ahead, go into the community over here. I'm going to click on Classroom. I'm going to click on Sora 2 Video Bootcamp. I'm going to go down to Resources. I'm going to click these 3 dots, and I'm going to click on Add New Page in Folder. And then I'm going to add a new page over here, and this new page is going to have the Sora 2 Video Idea Generator persona, just like this. And then I'm going to paste this information into here, just like this. And then I'm going to save this information just like this. Boom. I just saved this for our community so that they can get access to it. I'm going to copy this right over here. I'm going to go into our community right here. I'm going to go back to where I posted the persona generator. I'm going to say, here is the idea generator persona in the bootcamp. Okay. I'm going to press comment. I'm going to press like. And so now I have this here as well. Wow. This is powerful. Now what I want to do is I want to stitch 10 Sora 2 videos together. So I'm going to say, I would like to create a prompt to have it take one idea and turn it into 6 10-second videos that I can eventually stitch together. Give me a prompt that is simple for each of the 6 videos from one idea. Call it the evyAI Sora 2 prompt stitch prompt generator. 6 video. Sora 2 6 video stitch prompt generator. Okay, so I'm going to press go. And now I'm going to create a Sora 2 stitch prompt generator. So I'm going to click on add persona over here. I'm going to click on person. I'm going to click friendly for this one here. And I'm going to go ahead and put this together.
Want to make networking easier and more effective? Try evyAI, your AI-powered sidekick that helps you connect, engage, and grow your network faster than ever. Click the link and start building smarter relationships today.